Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's August 29th, 2024. I'm over here on the new property. Came over here yesterday, did a little bit of work, repiled some of the material. So here's some of the sandy gravel mix. I'm going to use more of this to do a little bit more road work that I've got to do. And I'll probably go ahead and, so there's still some wasps over here from where I disturbed their nest yesterday. They're not too happy. And I think I'm going to take some of the, there's some decent soil in here. This is our typical rocky property that we've got here. But I think what I'll do is I'll move some of this over to another pile that I've got on the other side of that hedgerow of trees there in the field that I created last year when I was working over on the other side. So I think I'll go get the hulk, move this material first. Then I may come down here and get this topsoil as well. I don't know. This looks a little bit better, but there's still lots of roots and material in here. But you know, I know I'm going to need this around here. And man, I wish I had a screener, but I don't. So I can chat some more, or I can just get to work. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'll go get the hulk, see what I can do as far as getting some of this material out of here, and just take it step by step and see what we can get accomplished.
Today I set out early, boots laced up tight, Pepe by my side, the mule that's just right. We picked up rocks together, loaded them with care. Pepe steady as a mountain, handling every share. Pepe and the Hulk, they get the job done, clearing out the land beneath the morning sun. With every rock, with every load, we carve our path down the working road. Once the rocks were piled high, it was time to call the beast. The Hulk, gray and red, a mighty force unleashed. With the Hulk I moved the earth, shifted soil and clay. Together we reshaped the land in our own way. Pepe and the Hulk, they get the job done, clearing out the land beneath the morning sun. With every rock, with every load, we carve our path down the working road. Pepe's strength is steady, Hulk's power bold. In the land we tend, our stories told. From rock to earth, from grit to grain, with these two we make the land sustain. As the sun dipped low and the day turned to night, Pepe and the Hulk cleared the way right. The ground now smooth, ready for the seeds. In the space we've made, we'll plant our dreams. Pepe and the Hulk, they get the job done, clearing out the land beneath the evening sun. With every rock, with every load, we carve our path down the working road. So here's to Pepe and to the Hulk so true. Together we've built a land anew. In the fields we've cleared, new life will rise underneath tomorrow's skies. Ooh, 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 ooh. Pepe's strength is steady, Hulk's power bold. In the land we tend, our stories told. From rock to earth, from grit to grain, with these two we make the land sustain. As the sun dipped low, they get the job done. In the land we tend tonight, Pepe and the Hulk, they get the job done, clearing out the land beneath the evening sun. With every rock, with every load, with every load, we load. Out here on this rocky land, where the gravel cuts so deep, we've been turning dirt to gold in the soil where nothing sleeps. With every stone we dig and every seed we sow, we're building something strong from the hard ground below. It's a labor of love, with sweat and with tears, turning bony gravel into dreams we've held for years. We've got imagination, and we've got calloused hands, growing food and forests on this unforgiving land. We bury wood in pits, let nature take her time, cover crops and swales, it's an uphill climb. But the green is pushing through where the earth was bare and dry, a testament to hope, reaching for the sky. It's a labor of love, with sweat and with tears, turning bony gravel into dreams we've held for years. We've got imagination, and we've got calloused hands, growing food and forests on this unforgiving land. The rains don't always come, and the sun can burn like fire, but we press on each day, driven by desire to see the fruits of labor in every tree that grows, in the harvest that we gather from seeds that we've sown. Neighbors shake their heads, say it can't be done, but we've seen the blossoms bloom in the face of the sun. With roots deep in the earth and branches reaching high, we're proving them wrong with every inch we try. It's a labor of love, with sweat and with tears, turning bony gravel into dreams we've held for years. We've got imagination, and we've got calloused hands, growing food and forests on this unforgiving land. Wood chips lay the path, compost feeds the way. We built this from the ground where others walked away. It's taken time and toil, but now the roots run deep, and what was once just rocky ground is now where gardens sleep. It's a labor of love, with sweat and with tears, turning bony gravel into dreams we've held for years. We've got imagination, and we've got calloused hands, growing food and forests on this unforgiving land. So we'll keep on working till the fields are green and wide. With love and hard-earned soil, we'll turn the tide. On this rocky, bony gravel, our dreams will stand, built with imagination and the strength of our hands.
Well, I was able to get the big piles out of the area and smooth out some of the edges, pull up a lot of the rocks there. So now I can get down in here at least and start working on some of the margins and see just how I'm going to finish shaping things. I have more earth there that's stuck there. I want to make everything nice, gentle slopes. You can see I picked a couple of roots here. I'm going to have to really dig back this area here a little bit more. It's so wet in here. It's all wet, wet, wet. Same thing over here. And maybe I'll be able to get around in here. It's awfully wet right now, so it's hard for me to to move around without doing more damage. So that's okay. Frogs all over the place. And one of the next things I'm going to want to do, not today, I'm done for the day over here. Those are the sitting rocks that I've got for around the pond. Once I get things set, you know, get the margins all set. But I have to come down in here, just like I did with the Hulk, laying down some of the weeds, because I'm not sure just how bad things are in here. I can't remember how it was last year, so I'll have to clean this area up some tomorrow. Oh, well, maybe tomorrow. We'll see how things go. And I'm going to want to take some of this. It's too steep of a slope right here for the swale system here. Maybe put a little bit more fill in the base of the swale, because they don't need it quite that deep, and knock back that upper edge. But first I'll clear this up to see how things look over there. But I put more of the sandy gravel material on the roadway over there. Today it's really undulates, it's really wet. I took the topsoil and rocks and other root material now and put it over there on the other side of the pasture. I'm not going to drive over there right now, everything's still so darn wet. And I started topping off the real low spots on the other road. So we always come up this road right here right now, the one that I worked on last year. Well, there's one more road over there that I've been working on, and it needs more work. And over here we got mosquitoes. That's why I like it back home, with all the beneficial insects, all of the dragonflies and everything. We'll have to get this area populated so we knock down this mosquito population. But this will be a very nice pond site in here once I get some more time to work on it here. Just got to carve out some more time, get the work done. So that's it for today's video, folks. I hope you found it somewhat entertaining. I know running the equipment, I'm just exhausted. My legs hurt from running the Hulk. But it's probably a bit boring watching the video. But I just want to document the process so you can see it along the way. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe and take care. Bye-bye now.